ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 89, ஸ்லோகா 2. சத்யः பிரசாத ருஷிதான் விதிசங்கராதீன் கேச்சித் விபோ நிஜகுணானுகுணம் பஜந்தः பிரஷ்டா பவந்தி பத கஷ்டம் அதீர்கதிருஷ்ட்யா ஸ்பஷ்டம் விருகாசுர உதாஹரணம் கிலாஸ்மின். Word by word meaning. Hey Vibho, O Lord. Kechit, some people. Nija guna nugunam, following their own nature. Vasanas. Sadhyaha prasada rushitan, who are quickly pleased and also quickly angered. Vidhi Shankaradin, Brahma, Shiva and other gods. Bhajantaha, worshipping. Adhirga Drishtya, because of short-sightedness. Brashtaha bhavanti, meet with destruction. Bata kashtam, alas. Asmin, in this regard. Vrikasuraha, Vrikasura. Spashtam udaharanam, kila, is indeed a clear example. Full meaning. O Lord, some people, following their own natural tendencies, worship Brahma, Shiva and other gods who are easily pleased as well as easily angered. Because of this short-sightedness, they are destroyed. Alas, in this regard, Vrikasura is indeed a clear example. Om Tat Sat.